Okay, real talk. Raise your hand if your research process looks like this. Saving articles you'll definitely read later and bookmarking videos that are now buried in the digital graveyard of good intentions. What if I told you there's actually a tool that doesn't just help you hoard information, but actually turns it into content that doesn't suck? Enter YouMind. And no, this isn't sponsored. What's good, creators? Hassan from AllAboutAI.com here. Today we're diving into YouMind, an AI creation studio that's basically what would happen if Notion and ChatGPT had a baby raised by a productivity guru who actually gets things done. Let's be honest, we're the most informed yet most overwhelmed generation in history. The average creator's workflow: find cool stuff, save it, forget it exists, panic at deadline, then wing it. Sound familiar? What is YouMind? Think of it as your personal research assistant, content creator, and that friend who actually remembers where you put things, all rolled into one. It's built around the IPO model: input, process, output. The browser extension lets you save anything: articles, YouTube videos, podcasts, that TikTok that gave you an existential crisis at 2 a.m. But here's the spicy part. Instead of dumping everything into a digital black hole, YouMind actually processes this stuff. It transcribes videos, summarizes articles, creates mind maps, basically does all the work your brain was supposed to do. Everything gets organized into boards. Think Pinterest for your brain. Each project gets its own board where you can see all materials, research, and drafts in one place. No more scattered research across 47 different apps. The real magic: content creation. Here's where YouMind flexes. It helps you create with your research. Need a blog post? It'll structure it using your materials. Podcast script? Covered. Video outline? Say less. Who should use this? Content creators and podcasters. Imagine researching guests, analyzing competitor episodes, and generating show notes all in one place. Students, this could literally save your GPA by keeping everything organized with AI making connections. And if you're chronically overwhelmed, saving everything but creating nothing, this might be your intervention. Reality check. Compared to Notion, it's more focused on creation than just organization. Notion is a Swiss Army knife. YouMind is a really good chef's knife. The AI integration keeps all your context organized, so you're not starting from scratch every time. My experience: I've been using YouMind for about 24 hours, and honestly, my script quality improved significantly. The process became way less chaotic and more systematic. I'm making connections between sources I never would have found manually. If this helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more honest reviews, and don't let AI brain drain get the best of you. Drop a comment. I feel like I'm talking to myself here.